Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make onion pepper egg rolls. These egg rolls were amazing. Don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and share this video with your family and friends. So if you want to see how I made these wonderful egg rolls, definitely keep on watching. So here are the ingredients I'll be using to make these onion pepper egg rolls. 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 cup of cold water, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a little bit of onion, 50 grams of margarine, 1 fresh egg, 1 medium-sized finely chopped onion and pepper, 7 boiled eggs. To begin, I will start by sieving my flour. After the sieving, I'll be adding my baking powder, salt, nutmeg, after that I will add my sugar. When I'm done adding all the dry ingredients, I will mix them properly. At this point, I'll be adding the margarine. After adding it, I'll have to rub it in until it is well mixed. Once I'm done rubbing in the butter, I will be adding my fresh egg, the finely chopped onion and pepper. Then I'll be mixing everything together. I will mix properly. Keep mixing until they are properly mixed. I will be adding my water bit by bit, and I will continue mixing until a dough is formed. Once a dough is formed, I will be placing it on my work surface and I'll be cutting the dough into 7 equal parts. Once that part is completed, pick up one of the dough, flatten it on your palm. Then place one of the boiled egg in the middle and wrap it round with the dough. Make sure to seal properly so that it doesn't burst open when frying. Keep wrapping until it is well sealed. Repeat the exact procedures on the other 6. So now the egg rolls are ready to be fried. I will preheat the oil and throw in a piece of onion for more onion flavor. At this point, the oil is well heated. I will be taking out the onion and I will start frying the egg rolls. Make sure your oil is not too hot or warm, otherwise your egg rolls won't come out perfect. I will keep stirring the egg roll until they turn golden brown. So at this point, I'll be taking them out of the oil. As you can see, they've all turned brown. And as I'm taking them out, I'll be putting them in a sieve so that the excess oil will be sieved out. So here is our onion pepper egg rolls. They were so delicious. You should definitely try this out, and also let me know in the comment section below what you think about this new recipe. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you've not, and share with your family and friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye bye.